This is the message I got after LCC call. If you lost someone close to you, then this message is for you. When something ends, it ends because it was supposed to end. I know that's hard to hear, especially when your heart is broken, especially when you lose someone you love, someone you thought you would always be there for you, to support you and you guide you and take care of you. But listen to me, some people leave our lives because we are just moving from one location to another location. Some people leave because of the heartbreak. Some people leave this world completely. And no matter how it happens, the grief makes us feel lost, empty, afraid, and fear of the future. Yes, right? Maybe you are the youngest in the family and you have the experience the loss too early. Maybe life asked you to grow up faster than you ever asked for. And sometimes that pain feels too heavy to carry. But in our Indian tradition, there is a beautiful story. A grieving mother once went to the god and asked for his child to bring back to the world. She begged him to bring her child back, but the Lord said her, like, bring me mustard seeds from the house that has never experienced the loss. She went from home to home, but every family had a story. Someone had a lost, some family had lost a father, family had lost their mother, some had lost their child, grandfather, grandmother, brother, sister, everything. Husband, wife, daughter, or nephew, or mother-in-law, father-in-law, everything in every family, right? And slowly she understood something powerful. The pain is the part of human being. Loss visits every home. But here is what I want you to remember. In our tradition, we believe people are not mm, leaving leaving us. I mean, they are just leaving the bodies, just leaving their body. The souls are with us, and souls never truly disappear, right? Their bodies may leave this world, but their love never leaves us. Their lessons, their blessings, and memories, and little pieces of the wisdom continue to live inside us. Maybe that's why sometimes we still feel them near around us, like in our dreams, in our prayers, in our habits, in the values they taught us, in the strengths they gave us. So, when you feel ready, don't replay only the pain. So, don't make your whole story about the sadness or heartbreak or loss. Okay? Change the story, like talk about what they taught you. Talk about how they changed you from inside. Talk about how they loved you. Their love made you stronger, kinder, wiser, and braver. Talk about how they take care of you, that you didn't even know about that. Because every soul that entered in our lives comes with a purpose. Some come to stay forever with us, some come to teach us something and they leave, and some came to help us to grow. And maybe the greatest way to honor the people we lost is to live your life as if they are still watching over you, guiding you, and taking care of you, because that love becomes your legacy. And maybe this helped because you have that strength to carry their legacy forward, to continue their kindness, values, and love and light. If it's not love, it's a lesson. And every loss can become love again once you understand the lesson. And when we carry their lessons forward, once again, it will become the love. Thank you. Thank you for this message, universe.